I'm doing is creating my background drop. So I went ahead and finished the first one so you guys can see it. Alrighty, and we're no particular pattern or anything what to do. So I actually have a box full of them. Just keep it organized. I just like to pour them in there, keep them organized. Alrighty, here's one. Glue stick is already ready, and we're gonna place it on here and start from the corner. And that's it. Here, from the corner. So you guys can see it. All right, there we go. Here. We're gonna do the whole thing like this. Okay guys, so this is what we have left. Look at that, a whole freaking wall. Look at that. All right.